So today we discuss about the call Google AdWords fundamentals. Look here. I come to here. This is a Google AdWords first screen. See here. What is called Google AdWords? Google AdWords is the Google online advertising program. There are two types. One is called SEO, search engine optimization. SEO purpose is keyword is showing for the first position. SEM, search engine marketing. What is the purpose of search engine marketing? Our keyword generating for leads. SEO purpose is our keyword will be first position purpose. Second, it will be called SEM purpose of lead generation. That is called online advertisement program. Here. See here. There is two types. One is called search ads. Second one is the display ads. Search ad nothing but when you search your keyword, they showing called the yellow color triangle for ads. That is called search ads. Second one is the display ads. Which website approved by Google AdSense? Our ad will display by the other websites. Now, see here. In a previous and now, this is a ratio for this. If compare the 2012, online is some 30%. Compare with now 2018, now will be 70% online. 30% will be going to the paper, radio, television, etc. This is a ratio for television, newspaper, radio, magazines, brochures, and online marketing. In 2018, up to 70% complete for online marketing. 2015 is a 50-50 or 60 like that. Now, this is the structure of AdWords. Please write down the structure of AdWords. First, AdWords account, nothing but your Gmail account. Second one is campaign name. What are the campaign names? Suppose I'm taking for IBM is your company. Is your campaign name. I'm taking for the my campaign name call. I'm taking one product. What is the product name? Like Java training. In a Java training, we can take for multiple groups. In each group, we can take for the multiple keywords. We can take as a like this. Please write down the syntax here. AdWords structure. So here, this is a campaign structure here. Now, I take one example here on campaign structure. What is my campaign? Set of programs, ad group and keywords. You can create a number of campaign we can create using one AdWords. And ad group, set of keywords. Simple. IBM is my campaign. Ad group is Java. What is that? List of keywords. Java software company. Some Java online training. Everything will be based on by the number of keywords. Every group, because certain keywords will be there. We can add one group into 15 to 20 keywords. Every campaign we can create as a groups. One campaign we can set up the multiple groups. Ad groups. Ad group set up multiple keyword. Last one is called bid. This is called ad. You can set up your ad. Add nothing but your keyword. This is called key of number of keywords. That is called here. Set up ad programs, ads, keywords, and bidding. Here we can adding by the three matches: broad match, exact match, and phrase match. Using with the ad groups and ad. Now, please write down the campaign structure as example here. Furniture store is my account. What is ad group? Bedroom furniture, dining room furniture. In this one, we can add group by the beds and dresses, table and chairs. In this, we create by the number of keywords. Each ad group here the number of keywords here. Take this example. So here, I take an example for furniture store. Look here, I am showing here. So, what is that? Key terminologies. First one is the keyword. Keyword nothing but your number of keyword nothing but digital market online training in Hyderabad. This is your keyword. What is called impression? If anybody see my ad, that is called impression. What is that? Click. Anybody click into my ad, my amount will be deducted. Daily budget. AdWords default daily budget is 500. Is a fix. We can't get generating by less budget. Now, destination URL. You could take the Flipkart. Flipkart.com is our destination URL. If you are searching one product, you can search my product into the one URL. So we create one page that is called landing page. In one page, we can add the number of products using with your some menus like mobile, electronic gadgets like this. The landing page, we can give particular one URL, flipkart.com/gadgets. That is called your destination URL. Or landing page, number of product into the one page. If you open the flipkart.com, you can search the product. But without search, I can show by the home screen. That is called your, I'm creating the one page. That is called flipkart.com/gadgets. That page we can add by number of product. That is called landing page. If anybody landing that page, again we can provide the n number of products using with the add. So that is called your final destination URL. So user register with the which URL. They landing with the which page. That is called your destination URL. Now here, this is called Google Network. How will be founding? One is called display network, display advertising. When creating ad, which website will be Google Ads approved? They are approved by the display ads. Number one. So second one is search network, nothing but text ad. They display by the search engines. If you search one keyword, they're showing by the ad type. Now here, search and display. Display nothing but image with showing here. Just nothing but only for content. That is now called search network. This is now called display network. See here. This is about the search network information. Search network complete based on by CTR, click through rate. Clicks by impression into 100. It's completely dependent on by the CTR, click through rate. Clicks by impression into 100. The total dependent on by the quality score. Clicks by impression into 100. The total dependent on by the quality score. And landing page experience. So search will be dependent by the CTR, nothing but clicks by impression into 100. Second one is the quality score. Third one is the landing page experience. Suppose simple one, you are adding mobile product. When you open the page, nothing information is a mobile. So is the rest of the page for ads. So they will be disapproved also sometimes. Your content will be not relevant for your landing page. They will disapprove your ads. Now here, this is a Google Adwords page. Search, what is called? Search network, nothing but text ads. Like this. Now, please write down the characters. Title will be 30 characters. Second title will be 30 characters. Description 80 characters. Destination URL will be 1024. Display URL will be 35 characters. So here, when you're creating ad time, these are options we can add into your option, call to action option. This is called button option. Please write down. One is called download now. This is the purpose of your apps. Buy now for shopping network purpose. Purchase shopping network. Call today for search or display also. Or mobile apps also. Order now as your product shopping network. Sign up are showing by the display and search network also. Now sales offers you can show by the shopping network and mobile apps and you can show by the display ads also. Last one, get a quote using by the mobile network and search network and display network also. These are options. Download now, buy now, purchase. Why? Because there are a complete 5 categories: search, display, and mobile, video, and shopping network. See here, and bidding and prices models. So what kind of pricing model will be there? One is called CPC, cost per click. Next one is the cost per mile. We can watch 1,000 times that ad will be charged by the user cost. This one, CPA, acquisition and action. Suppose you can show the mouse oriented action. I will click or not. We can show by the times. That is called action will be run by the CPA. Last one is that CPV, cost per view. And final two will be called cost per day. Per day, how much they charge per your campaign. So we are getting default budget is 500. How much detected based on the ads? Will be lost 500. Complete will be 500 will be closed. Or we can only finish with up to 400. Last one, CPI, cost per install. Per app, how much we can bidding per install. We can putting for the this pricing model. Total how many complete? 6. Will create by your ad using with the 6 models. So this is the quality score. How will be generating your quality score on your ads? One is called your ad search relevance. First important point. Second one is the quality of your landing page. Third one is your ad expected CTR. What is the CTR? Nothing but click through rate. Clicks by impression into 100. Last one, your display URL past CTR. Previous CTR and now display CTR. Some will be compared with your generating for the relevant landing information. Simple one, you are putting for digital marketing. Your landing URL will be called Java train. Is correct? So we can using for relevant landing page URL also. That is called they are showing for the past CTR also. URL display the past CTR here. Now please write down CTR will be called. Clicks by impression into 100. See here. This is a campaign structure. Campaign, ad group. In the ad group, a number of keywords. Allocating for campaign name and campaign 1 is the my ad group is the number of keywords. Here we can place for the matches. What is called? Broad, exact, and phrase matches. Now, see here. Please write down ad rank. Ad will be generated. The rank will be based on the CPC bid into quality score. CPC bid into quality score. So this is called keyword match types. What is that? First one, broad match modifier, phrase match, exact match, and neutral match. So clear? Suppose I am searching for US free trip. They are showing for Canada free trip. This is called neutral keyword. This is a neutral keyword. US free trip. Okay, matching US. The keyword will be appearing to ad. This is called broad match. US free trip. Same will be searched by your user. That is called exact match. Use a free trip by some name. That is called phrase match. The phrase will be matching. After that, you are adding keyword. Suppose US trip free. This is completely different as a phrase match. Why? Because the phrase will be not matched. Now we'll check here one by one. So here, please write on this one. Exact match nothing but buy flower. User how will search buy flower? They show you adding to the dry flower only. Same like that keyword. Second one, broad match. Buy flower. You're searching for buy flower. If matching by flower or buy. You show you're adding to the Google search engine. Now, broad match modifier. So you're putting for buy tulips. Buy will be matching. The keyword will be showing to the ad. Why? Flower is renamed for tulips. So clear? Last one is the phrase match. Buy flower is the exact will be matched as a phrase. Buy online flower. Buy in between the online will be this. Is not for the phrase match. This is not for the exact match. This match will be applicable by broad match. So native match. Buy. I'm saying for buy flower. I'm saying for something like as a native keyword. Something reverse. We can like this as using by the matches here. See here. First one. What is that? Broad match. Broad match. What is my keyword? Buy flower. May show for this queries. Buy flower. Buy red flowers. What is my keyword? Buy flower. User, we can search any keyword. Is showing my ad. Buy flower. I'm searching for buy flowers. I'm putting ad is. What they're showing for? They search by the by flower, by red flowers, flowers by New York, by flowers, by tulips. So total we search by the 5 keywords. My ad will be showing to the using with the brand match. The keyword will be brand match. 6 keyword applicable, 5 keyword applicable by the this keyword. I'm showing you ad into the first position as the Google ad. Now this will be called phrase match. Look here. Keyword. What is that? Buy flower. So where can I buy flower? Buy flower in New Delhi is okay, but not for this query. Buy red flowers, buy online flowers, buy blue flower, everything. There is an extra word in between the flowers. Buy. The word are reverse. Buy flower. I'm searching by flowers. They're showing for buy flower. Completely wrong. S will be miss. So phrase will be not match. This is a singular. Buy tulips. Were completely different. So it's not a phrase match. What different are we adding some one single letter? The phrase will be not matching on your phrase match. So here, this is an exact match. They are searching by flower. The keyword match by your title. By flower. Exact. So if you're putting for by flower is not exact match. Flower by is not a exact keyword. By flowers, they can match by flowers only. Now here, negative keyword, complete reverse. Cheap. So I will never show into the this queries. By cheap flowers in New York. Complete for negative. Now here. So total will match by broad, exact, and phrase match. So dynamic keyword insertion is this is. So how will be insert your keyword? So how can you add a match? You can show by the real time. Now come to here. See this one. I can give one headline for the buy. Keyword is chocolate. Okay, what is that? Buy. My keyword is chocolate. Previous I'm using buy flower. Now come to here. So can you tell me that I'm using 4 keywords? What are the matches? Can you tell me here? So here, first one is phased by the broad match. Here, dark chocolate, they will be matched by dark chocolate. Suppose if you matching bar into last one, they go into the phrase match. Why? Because after the keyword, before the keyword, if you add anything, but your phrase will be matching. That is called dark chocolate bar. If you're adding dark chocolate bar, it will be going to the phrase match. Now, second one, sugar-free chocolate. In sugar, before I'm adding for buy. So sugar-free chocolate, your phrase will be matching. This is called phrase match. Last one, I'm searching something, but they're showing for buy chocolate. Why? This is called broad match modifier. You can show by only for chocolate. You're matching by here. This is called broad match modifier. See here, one is a broad match, phrase match, broad match modifier. Now here, this is a keyword planner. We can select the keyword into the using with the Google AdWords. Set your keyword based on the competition, low, medium, and high. This is the AdWords. Tools and keyword planner is the I'm selecting the keywords like this. Mobile, which your landing page, and what is the category on your keyword search like this. Now this is a competition. Low, medium, high. High nothing but high competition. Medium nothing but medium competition. Low nothing but low competition. Now here, this is about the display network. Previous I'm discussed about the search. Now we'll discuss about the display network. This is a method will be targeted by this one. One is the contextual target, demographic target, placement targeting, interested targeting, topic targeting, and geographic and language targeting. First one, contextual, content. Content is important. Second one, demographical, age-wise. Placement target, which place are placing? Right corner, or left, or footer, or the middle of the content. Interest target, which category their interest, education or sports, based on the interest. Topic targeted, which kind of topic is like subject or anything will be taken by here. Geographics, locations, India, US, UK, anything. Language targeting, English, some Japanese, Chinese, everything will be. This is called target method using by this method. Please write down these points. So here, this is a placement. Two. One is the automatic placement and managed placement. Nothing but which place you are putting ad. That will be some size will be there. 728 by 90, 300 by 600. This will be sizes of your display ads. Please write down the sizes, the display ads. One is called 728 by 90. 728 pixel is width and height will be 90 pixel. This one is a medium rectangle, 300 by 250. And other common size, please write down 300 by 600, 160 by 600, 180 by 500, so 150. Mobile ads, 468 into 50, 300 by 50, 320 by 50. These are ads. They display by where? When you open this AdSense website, you will show like this ads. Mobile will be like this. Other common. The normal size will be called responsive size. Based on space, automatic ad will be, screen size will be change. This is called responsible ad. So here, this is the size of your header, left side, right side, like this apps, and in the media of the content that will be applicable by these types. So clear. This will be showing to your mobile also, like this ad. So clear. This is the ad type. Your display ads. So clear. When you're creating display ads, will be like this. Here, display ad complete based on the remarketing. Remarketing nothing but user come to one website, is not purchase any single product. They select the product, is not purchase. So the product will be captured by cookies. They're showing for the other website, which website will be approved by the Google AdSense or sponsored ads like Facebook, some Twitter, LinkedIn, anywhere, which is approved by the ads. They show by the repeated. Today will be discount, tomorrow will be discount. Like they will be showing by the remarket. Display ads will be complete based on the remarketing. Sell your product. So please write down remarketing. See here. Remarketing, let's show ads on people who visit your website or use your mobile apps before. When people leave your website without buy anything, they come to your product. It's not buy nothing. And or that, for example, remarketing help you or reconnect with the by showing your product based on the cookies, your browser cookies. Suppose you delete the browser cookies, they can't show anything. They can't show anything here. Now this one. So here, this is the structure of remarketing. User coming to a website, select one product, is not purchase a product, leave to my website. I will show into the other browsers, other websites. Is thinking I can purchase or not. If it's okay, they purchase. Or they remove the cookies, they fetch the search engine as using with the temporary deleting the files. Now here, this is a conversion track. So what are the conversion track you will be getting? They showing by the Google AdWords dashboard. We can generate by the reporting format also. We can download the format also. Now here, it's complete for conversion tracking. Why we using Google AdWords? Main is called return of investment. How much your investment we get in for returns using with the Google AdWords. That is called we can getting for conversion tracking here. So that will be converted by your keywords and ad group and campaign will be created by the ROI. What is it called? Return of investment using with Google AdWords. So clear? This is attraction of the Google AdWords basic tutorial for search network and display network.